Hi guys, in today's video I will be discussing about the factors impacting your PTE writing scores. Now mostly when students don't get their desired score in the writing module, they just think that summarized written text and essay are the causes of not getting the scores. But that's not true, because there are some questions from your listening module as well as from reading which is giving you some transferable scores towards your writing part. So the questions are summarized spoken text, listening fill-ups and write from dictation from your listening module, and drop down fill-ups from your reading module, or you can say reading writing fill-ups. All these 4 questions contribute marks towards your writing part. So you have to consider all these questions if you are not getting your desired score towards your writing part. Now once you identify that these are the reasons of not getting your scores, then the next point would be to consider the parameters, that what parameters actually you are making mistakes in, because there are certain parameters you have to fulfill. Let's say the very first common one is your spellings. If you do make any spelling mistakes, you lose points towards your writing. The next thing would be about your content. Now content is writing exactly same thing from the given transcript. If you just add or paraphrase from your side, again you are losing points towards your writing. The next would be your vocab. Now I have seen students, they just take the note just with very simple words for the sake of writing the summaries or maybe just the words. But you just need to consider that you need to go with the important words. The words which highlights the main idea of the passage. They are called your good words, good quality keywords. So you need to go with those things. Next would be your form. Now it seems very simple, but it's again a very important factor, because you have been given the word limit. Let's say if you are writing your summary, you need to write between 5 to 75 words. So if you are over 75 or under 5, it do impact your writing scores as well. So you have to consider your word count. Last but not least is your grammar. Grammar is important while forming the sentence. If you are writing your ideas, expressing your viewpoints into your essay, just consider to write the correct form of sentence. I hope that this video will help you to improve your writing scores and get your desired score in PTE. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.